All right, so we got 28% battery on this one, so that's good. If it runs out halfway through the Civics, we're good then. Nothing gets lost, as long as the cores get covered. Very nice, clean cars. You know, I like the fact that there was a lot of hype about this meet, and it was short notice. I really like this one, even if it has the steelies and I really like the way he went about it. And the reason why I'm going to tell you guys, I know there's keyboard warriors right now typing it away. How dare he spray on tires and OEM wheels, blah blah blah. Ultimately, bottom line, if you see this in Japan, all of you would be like, oh my god, that's cool, that's creative. But if we do it here in the States, we always have a negative opinion to say about things. I think we should change that. It's like Japan does anything, oh, that's so cool, thinking out of the box, way to be innovative. We do it, that's ricey, lame, blah blah blah. So man, you gotta change that mentality. And it's crazy because it's not your cup of tea, which is fine, right? You don't have to like something, but when you feel so opinionated about something, and then it just kind of discourages other people from trying to do whatever they want to do. And you should never discourage anybody else. That's just my 2 cents. See, like, that's dope. VW Jetta, they're dope cars. I wouldn't personally go buy one, but you know, it's super cool. We saw them cruising on the freeway. So nice to see these cars still out about. Ooh, this is beautiful. The man of the hour, the host. Míralo, míralo, míralo. A ver si habla el güey. A ver si dice algo.
All these guys.
Ya que eres famoso, ya no hablas. Ya que eres famoso no hablas, güey.
No te estaba esperando y dónde estaba ¿qué te hiciste?
We met up como 5 minutes allá, güey. Big shout out to Old School Honda, Isaac, making it out. Oh my god, this thing is so clean. Love this wagon. All right, he's gonna stay there and talk. Nice little soul. Excuse me. Beautiful EG. Look at this. A little dog inside. Beautiful, beautiful EF hatch. EF wagon, I should say. What's up, fellas? What's up, brother? How are you?
You're good.
So far, oh, okay, I see you, Kirari. I didn't even see your car. So far, nobody has said Automotive Academy, but somebody did call me Anthony already. So, I mean, we're waiting on Anthony. So nice.
Is that the famous Automotive Anatomy?
Oh, shit. I'm surrounded by all famous people. What's up, Easy?
So,
I always say your name wrong. Easy, still you digging.
there you go. Well, you said it right.
Getting it.
Te voy a agarrar pinche inglés sin barreras, güey.
I already have it, güey. I already have it, pero... I already have it, güey.
That way you know how to pronounce it.
Damn. So the wagon I told you guys, Steve? Hazme un hijo! That was so serious. That would hurt me, but you won't laugh. He'll tell me later. Fool, what'd you yell that out? Damn, sick. Where'd you park? And sick. So homie Easy getting a little bit of attention. This Monstros Civic hatch. Very nice. Super clean Briga Masters. If I'm not mistaken, they're for sale. He's been trying to sell them. I don't know what else. Good morning, good morning. I don't know what else he has in store for the wheel tire setup. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Doing well, man. And yeah, he's been trying to sell those, so hopefully he sells them and gets. I don't know. He probably already has new wheels. That's why he's like looking to get rid of them. So I do apologize. There's a lot of people here. We got this one earlier, the Beat. A little bit closer look. Homie Juan is out here. All the famous guys are here. Very nice. We were gonna plan on meeting up with Juan to go to San Diego, but then after the San Diego got morning, good morning. After the San Diego one got canceled, then I didn't know Isaac was gonna do something here in Pasadena, so I ended up just kind of like doing something else. Yeah, that I hit up. This is Oscar right here. If I'm not mistaken, Oscar is going through some challenges when it comes to his car, but he's still out here driving. He always has a smile. I love that guy. I don't think I've ever seen Oscar but not smiling. That's cool. And then Judira, the famous Judira on the side. Cállate. No nos molestas. Judira right here, she's super popular. She's cool, man. So I guess she bought a shirt and a hat. So thank you so much for that, Judira. And I guess she took the shirt to work, and a couple people were like, "Hey, I know that channel," which is weird. And I was like, "Oh shoot," you know. So I was messing with them. I'm like, no wonder the views went up for like a week, you know, like drastically. I was like, damn, what happened? And then she told me, oh, that's why. Famous Judira, the Judira effect. It's a Judira or Jadira? I don't know. Her Instagram is Judira, Y-U-D-H, I think, I-R-A. But I think it's Jadira. But sorry if I've been mispronouncing it. But yeah, thanks to you know, Miss Popular, the views went up. So thank you guys so much for coming out, Oscar and Judira. Alrighty, making our way to the last line of the meet. It's not easy. He came all the way from the IE. We were gonna meet up this morning to do a follow-up interview. Wow, this is beautiful, on his EG, because it really is a complete different car. Still sure EG chassis, but it's a complete different car. It's a really beautiful cars. And yeah, now is boosted, has different wheel tire setup, probably suspension pieces, a color scheme. From the first time that we met him, it was NA, different tire setup, you know. So we were gonna meet up. I scheduled and I messed up because I was like, oh dude, I didn't realize it was a old school meet in San Diego. And then when Isaac canceled, I was like, oh cool, then we just meet up. And then he created this one. I was like, oh cool. And I already told Izzy, I'm like, you know what, I'll meet up with you. I don't have to go to the old school one because, you know, I don't like flip-flopping. You're making time for me. It's Matt's car. And he's from far away, right? So he's like, man, if we do meet up, I have to get up really early. I have to do this. I'm like, you know what, Sasuke, let's just, I don't like rushing. Let's just meet up some other time, some other day, and then we'll make it happen. Sick asphalt, that's sexy. Talking about Armando, not you guys.
Hey, bro, we're taking some good aspects.
You're gonna be.
Oh, you guys are gonna suck. Just by that tone, that tells me that you guys are taking some shitty ass pictures.
No, dude, the angle.
Oh,
the angle.
I know what you guys mean. Oh God.
No.
Do it. Oh, then I don't know. Then I don't want to hear it.
There's like one or two.
What? I say hi to poor people. I do. I really do.
I'm on the red.
I'll be back. Damn, that's a nice color. Very nice color, green.
If I just do it because.
Let me get through here. Oh man, so many people here. Let me see if I can get some people here. It's a lot of people. Good morning. There's a lot of people. I'm so sorry I'm gonna miss all you guys' cars, but it's just a lot of people. I'll see if when I come back they're gone. I love how I'm wanting the people that own the cars that came out to be gone so I can get their cars. Sick. Nice little cord. Alrighty guys, so I think this is gonna be the last of the coverage for today's meet. Super nice. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you everybody who came out. Again, I apologize if I didn't get your car. I did one round and that was it, because I gotta go hang out with my peeps as well and just chill and enjoy the meet too, you know. It's not just about looking at the cars through a lens. At least that's my point of view. But man, the cars look so nice. Red cars have never really brought my attention until recently. I don't know if that's a YouTuber. Who's a YouTuber? These are so whack. But yeah, red cars has never brought my attention as much as I start seeing some of them and what you can do with them. Black, gold, white wheels look so nice with them. Ooh, who's EG right there? That's a great parking. There you go.
I'm Jesse Garcia, brother.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
man.
to meet you.
Yeah, this is awesome. So this is Jesse from Baldwin Park. Thank you so much for coming out. Definitely appreciate it. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. You guys take care.
God bless.
Damn, this EG found a good spot to park. I'll get out for your shot. My bad. Damn, super nice. This you? Is this your car?
Yeah.
Super nice, man. Okay. So, yep. Easy's EG. Wow. Like I tell you guys, we're gonna meet up with Easy again just to do a follow-up. Look at this. So nice. Looks so different. Why does it look so different? He just switched up the seats on me, I think. Wow. Yep. This angle right here, man. Are you sure you're gonna focus right? Like last time you focused on the wrong thing? Eee, so nice. Whose car is this? Where is he? Is this Obese? Is this Jay's car? I think this is Jay's car. Yeah, it is. Obese. Where's Jay? So nice. Switch up the wheels on me. One of my favorite Integras ever. Well, it's so cool to have seen this car when it was, you know, close to Stockport, sitting just on M7s. So nice. Sedan. Very, very nice. All right, fellas and ladies, thank you guys so much for making the time to tune in. If you made it this far, definitely appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, Isaac, Old School Honda, for hosting it. And yeah, it's time to step up, man. It's time to get a venue. For now, we'll catch you guys on the next one. And thank you everybody who came out from close and far. Once again, if I didn't get your car, don't take it personal. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.